body of the hyoid bone, lateral to the insertion of the sternohyoideus. The central tendon of this muscle varies much in length and form, and is held in position by a process of the deep cervical fascia, which sheaths it, and is prolonged down to be attached to the clavicle and first rib. It is by this means that the angular form of the muscle is maintained. Variations: doubling, absence, origin from clavicle, absence or doubling of either belly. The inferior belly of the omohyoideus divides the posterior triangle of the neck into an upper or occipital triangle and a lower or subclavian triangle, while its superior belly divides the anterior triangle into an upper or carotid triangle and a lower or muscular triangle. Nerves. The infrahyoid muscles are supplied by branches from the first 3 cervical nerves. From the first 2 nerves, the branch joins the hypoglossal trunk, runs with it some distance, and sends off a branch to the thyreohyoideus. It then leaves the hypoglossal to form the descendens hypoglossae, and unites with the communicantis cervicalis from the 2nd and 3rd cervical nerves to form the ansa hypoglossae, from which nerves pass to the other infrahyoid muscles. Actions. These muscles depress the larynx and hyoid bone, after they have been drawn up with the pharynx in the act of deglutition. The omohyoidei not only depress the hyoid bone, but carry it backward and to one or the other side. They are concerned especially in prolonged inspiratory efforts, for by rendering the lower part of the cervical fascia tense, they lessen the inward suction of the soft parts, which would otherwise compress the great vessels and the apices of the lungs. The thyreohyoideus may act as an elevator of the thyroid cartilage when the hyoid bone ascends, drawing the thyroid cartilage up behind the hyoid bone. The sternothyreoideus acts as a depressor of the thyroid cartilage. End of section 32.